Sharing entire screen. Hello. Abakulu. Musibye mutya oba mwasuze mutya? I think we are in London session. We are having our session, and I think it has started. Already subscribe to YouTube, and those who enable their bell notification that we are live, right? All right. Abaliko, all those ones available, put in some comments. As I'm sharing our brothers, and let me hope the screen is clear. All the resolution which I'm casting is clear. It's fine, and Mukasa, everything is okay. That's good. That's good. That's good, bro. So can sharing it on the screen. Tugenda bigayagaayamu wano eno mpola mpola. Anviko clear. Okay. Ndi sharingira banaffe screen then tutandike. Mukasa analysis wo wa Euro USD naye tuze naye gwe twakoze $50 group. Oh. Link hiyo ngisharinze. Aligenda trading. So I'm also going to initiate our brothers in the Telegram. Abaliko musibye mutya mwasize mutya? Asuubira bitambula bulungi gye muli. Rashid, how are you in Soboga? We're going to start using orders, okay? No worries. Aba Telegram basharingire. Sharingire n'abaana aba WhatsApp endala. All right. Muntekerewo payers zammwe. Tukolera abantu. Bwekiri? Ewe batebagamba tukolera abantu. Kati mbadde mbasabako ku payers zammwe as I'm sharing the last link to these guys. The maliriza. Then muzikirize mbabuzeeko again. Mwasize mutya abakulu. Let me hope everyone is doing well. I think this was our analysis in the $50 group. This was our analysis in the $50 group. But before we dive into this analysis, I just want us to look at what's going on in the market. Tusoke tukwese investing.com, tusoke tulabe ebigenda mu maaso eri mu katale investing.com. Tulabe how impactful the news are. all tulabe other things. Now I think this is our economic calendar. Let's try like to see what might be going on. Today is a Tuesday. China, remember nabagamba China is the global player. Oba China yesalawo nnyo ebyensimbi ebisinga okubeera eby'amaanyi. So in whatever thing we do, tulina consideringa China nti yaki y'amaanyi. So kyova olaba Chinese monetary policy etugasa nnyo oba egasa nnyo ba trader. Why? Kubanga China yeddirira America right now. Kubanga China yadeceratinzemuko naye even n'ebirigenda maaso right now mu America biri ku affectinga nnyo ki the American economy. Right? Now let's proceed. So today tuligenda kufuna kye tuyita PPI, producer price index. Naye waneno bali kuwa previous bali kugamba ebadde 3%. Blue, green, ekitegeeza ebadde simbi nnyo. Remember, if producer price index is high, you understand? If it's high, it affects the economy. Remember, gamba nti kiva ku ki okubeera nga affectinga economy. Jjukira nti eno ye price producer oba omukozi w'eŋŋaano gy'atundirako. You understand? Eno price bw'oba nti omukozi w'ekintu akiko etandikira ku interest rates ez'eggwanga oba interest rates eziba zirigenda maaso at that very particular moment. You understand? And producer price index webeera ng'eri waggulu nnyo kibeera kikuba economy, naye webeera ng'eri wansi kiba kigasa economy oba kiba kigasa eggwanga. Lwaki? Producer kitegeeza wamba nti ali kugabira ku bintu ku price eya wansi, kitegeeza interest rates si z'amaanyi nnyo. Okitegeera kitegeeza ki? Interest rates si z'amaanyi nnyo. However much on contrary the other side, eggwanga oba gavumenti eyinza okusalawo negamba nti katwongeze interest rates. Simanyi oba ndi kudduka speed, mutegereko comments mu comment section tulabe oba ndi kudduka speed ngendeze ku speed. Yinza okuba nga nyinyonyola ate nga bya mugaso naye nga ntambula speed. You understand? Nga eggwanga lyasalawo lyongeze interest rates olw'ensonga nti bali kwagala producer naye ayongeze sente ziba zisike mu bantu. Naye it's a very great opportunity oba it's a great okubeerawo. So kyensobola obagamba if reasons actual eri 0.4 PPI actual bagireleasinze 0.4, which means economy ekyali mbi. Economy ekyali ki? Ekyali mbi. Ndikwagala tulabeko wano eno. A higher than expected rate taken as a positive or bullish for the USD. A higher than expected. This one is not correct. This one is not correct because you can't expect the economy to be doing well, which means the economy is not doing well when the producers' prices are high. You understand? And I think this is just a slogan. Nti joba agiteka waneno, but then as what's money higher than expected reading should be taken as a positive or a bullish for the USD, while a lower than expected reading should be taken as a negative or a bearish USD. Let's do the opposite. A higher than expected reading should be taken as a negative or a bearish reading for the USD, while a lower than expected should be taken as a negative, a positive, or a bullish scenario for the US dollar. Ready? Let me reduce the speed. It's okay. Bana abasajja kineno bakikwatanga kikwate nti bali kugamba neno a higher than expected reading should be taken as a positive. No, ate waneno fe okusinzira ku oba this is PPI munfuna, and if it's a PPI webeera ngeri waggulu producers prices oba price producer gy'aba ali kutundizaako ekintu tooza neno bakaaba tekiba kirungi eri economy. So kati nze tosobola kuŋŋamba nti abantu waggulu nnyo oba oli mutundira ku bbeeyi ya waggulu nnyo, mukitegeera ekyo tekijja. It's really impossible. Now ndikwagala tulabeko ku previous readings. Ndikwagala tusooke tugendeko ku mataf.com. Ndikwagala tulabe previous data ku currency index eya USD. Global view. Ndikwagala banange tusooke twetegereze wano eno previous reading yali etya. Yafuluma nga November nga mmeka? November. Previous reading yafuluma nga December 12, December 12. When was it? 7:30. Ndikwagala tusooke tugende tuligenda tandikira ku ya November nga 14, November 14th. 14th November. Even up to today. One eno babadde baligamba eno yali ya gundi eno action newunyiza nnyo okulaba nti action bagifulumiza. This was December 14th and eddamu effulu eno ya December. Ndaba December. When is today? Today is the 14th. Okay. Better than your expected reading. So we are starting with here November 2024 gafuluma sawa emune dakiika 3 waneno. Yes, that time zone yange izo kwaukanako neyo, but that's it. Wagala tugendeko ku USD time frame. 15 minutes time frame. Tuligenda tandikira mu November 14th. Bazi zaffe oba nazitowa nga zimalayo bulungi. This is bazi oba tebazikomeza wano. November 14th. What time was that? Zali sawa meka? Zali saa 19. Zali sawa 9. This is UTC negative what? Negative 5. Yeah. UTC negative 5. Ndikwagala tulabe what happened at what time? 8:30. 8:30. Oba nti oli kwetegereza bulungi waneeno. Before you tackle agamawulire, soka otegeere previous data abadde performing ati. That's why nzize mu bino. Yeyo kando gye markings ya green. Ayina ekibuuzo buuza. Whoever is having his question, you can ask. Ndowooza mulaba ya buying. What was our next target? December nga 12. Ya buying. Ndikwagala tulabe this was a buy. November was a buy. For the US dollar. Index gyendiko yokka, which means okupeya byaseringa. Oyali quote. Yali base bya buying. Ndowooza mulaba CHF kyerikola. 12th December. 12th December at what time? 8. 8:30 ku index amawulire ga selling. It was a sell. All right. Waneno bali kulaga it was a sell December 12 mulabye sell yali etya ku index. Sell waneno ate bakulaga nti it was better than what? Better than expected. Ask yourself, why was it better than expected yet it was a sell? Ndowooza mutegedde lwaki mbanyonyodde nti waneno byawukanamu ate tukola ki? Tuba tulina kola opposite. You understand? Waneno yali buy in line with the expectation. Because they expected it, previous yali 0.1. Waneno yali 0.2%. Era ne actual yali 0.2% in line. It was in line with the expectation. Waneno oligenda kwesanga nga worse than expected, which means here it bought. Here it did what? It bought 11th October. Now, ndikwagala tusooke tugendeko ku currency strength meter before tukirire ku analysis. Ndowooza mulaba engeri USD gye NZD eriko, AUD eriko, kaadi zambuka zonna ziri mu kwambuka, naye dola terina maanyi enafuye. Then please wait while we are trying to reconnect. Yeah, internet. Please. Mr. Shahalo, oba oli tekawo comment mu comment section here. Ono yogoli gwe tutandikiddeko. Analysis of gwe twakoze mu VIP oba mu $50 group. I don't have any VIP group, but I have a $50 group. Kutesa Jesha, okay. Gije, okay. This is our analysis gwe twakoze, and levels is affair. Those guys, they respected. It was Wednesday last week. Now I want us to look at this week. Nabagamba previously nabagamba sales tuligenda zikwatira waneno, but rather market teyatuukawo yakoma waneno. You understand? And ekyali kirina okuddako. Remember, this level was already utilized, and it was utilized so far 2 times, and even this one it was already what? Utilized. That's why zino levels abali kugamba nti bazimakinga olina okulaba period mwe bazikozesezeza, like period used and even the time, number of times. Level or at that particular level. Ebyo nabyo mulina okubitunulirako ennyo mukitegeera. So this was gold eno level kwe yakomezeddwa, but nga waneno ababadde bayingirira neno buy as we had said, mwabadde mulina okubeera ne abadde mulina capital asobola okuholdinga baka waneno. And those are just 26 buys. Ndikwagala tukiteko ku 5 minutes time frame tulabe. This is 5 minutes time frame. Ndikwagala nsooke ndi oba nti oli kulaba. I just want you to look at this volume build up. Olabe. This volume build up. Olabe. Naki ekigenda mu maaso. Omuma mukiraba ekigenda mu maaso already mukimanyi. What's going on? US dollar right now teri kwagala now PPI. Ate nga PPI oyo kyensobola bagamba. Kyensobola bagamba ko yo PPI. Previous abadde 0.4 ne focus era still bambalira mu 0.4. Tetulina nnyo okusuubira kyawukanako ku kino eno, But what I can say is agenda kubeera bullish okusinziira ku scenarios ki eziriwo right now kyenyagadde obagamba. With our gold tukya era babadde bayingidde buys wano eno ndowooza mu mwakikubye kubanga already if I'm to look at these levels ndikulaba nga this was also a highest point of interest and point yabadde naye ya interest but if it fails then buys oba ne retracingamu kekkirire buys tuze expectingira kuzikwatira wani eno right buys muzisuubirira okuzikola ki okuzikwatira awo. Because another thing is still cells nkyazirabira ku kifaananyi ekinene wanene waggulu ndikwagala kukkirirako ku 1 minute time frame mbalage omuntu ayinza okulaba byemankize natabitegeera bulungi naye ndikwagala mbalage the bigger picture such that you can do what such that you can understand and still even if you are on 1 minute time frame oba tukyaliko eyo minute time frame emu waneno nandibadde nga bagamba this is what this was support level and it might be a resistance but already it was what already liquidated ekitegeeza they are eyeing for something big. Understand, they are doing what they are eyeing for something big and what might be that thing, that bigger thing might be this level. Nze njaba ogamba nti this is a risk-free trade area. This is a risk-free trade area for your sales or for your short-term sales. We're so kind of previously one in America how it has been performing in line with this level. In line with what? In line with this level. But that's a risk-free trade. Those ones who are going to enter for sales above those highs. If we break above it, then just wait for a retest. We proceed up. All we high for those higher positions, right? After here and again about more levels the mulino kutunulira ennyo forecast kiki forecast nti kiyinza okuvaayo bwekiti then previous ebyo bateebereza naye ne bibeerawo oba past data. Forecast ye future data. So guys bayinza okujja wano eno olw'ensonga nti wano eno nyinza obalawo naye nga ate eno ndigibala lwa gap then ne tusinzirira ku eno level yennyini kubanga webagambye nti eno bayinza okugamba give you what we call a risk-free trade if it's possible but wano eno targets zibeere wano eno nti tuligenda kufunamuko ka short term sale. We are going to scalp from here for some short term sales. If we fail to hold, then please if we consolidate within the range, we are retesting, we are still proceeding up. Muntegede bulungi GBP USD GJ buyers or GJ sellers na eno line inagitaddewo nga ya sales. This was a selling area, this yellow line kanji marking nti ebeere this was a selling area eyo nagitaddewo. Right now we on a 55 minutes time. This is a selling area, this was my selling area. In contrary with other concepts ndikwagala tulabeko, this was our what eno yabadde London high yaferiwa London low I mean New York low, Asian low Asian low yafe Asian bamaze okugijja Asian high kati oyinza ogamba nti we are manipulating but if we fail try okutunulira wano eno the bigger picture nti tuligenda kujja wano eno waggulu tuli testing we come and feel this level. Now what's our next target? Nze omanyi nze setunulira nnyo ebintu bingi but this might be a risk-free for yourselves, classic ones. Eno kanjijjewo tumaze ogikozesa abagirabye mugirabyeyo kanjijjewo tumaze ogikozesa. Understand, I'm looking at this level for mobiles but one eno is a screenshot simuze kube. That's GBP USD GJ. Then let us look at Bitcoin. $50 members, I think you can see what we predicted or what I told you about Bitcoin. I told you the moment we break above this line, we are retesting on it. Proceeding. Right now, we're doing consolidation because why in a low time frame, lower time frame, but ndi kwagala still temuva ku kifaananyi still temuva ku kifaananyi ekinene ekyo kye nsobola obagamba. Okay. Still temukola ki? Still temuva ku kifa Bitcoin ejja kuba etuuse 9,900. Targets zaayo zonna ziri mu kuyingira mitwalo meka? Eri kuyingira mitwalo 10. But right now tetugenda yingira kati emitwalo 10 olw'ensonga ezimu na zimu. Onansonyiwa lwaki njinza ogamba nti olw'ensonga ezimu na zimu, but the moment we break at this level ne tugenda waggulu, consider what? Consider long positions and what will be our target after sales bwe tuba like nga tu liquidating zeno level, our targets will be this level for what? That's what I'm eyeing, because most people might be spotting imbalances. What? No. Technically, ebyo nze si byentunuulira ennyo fine mbitunuulira naye kyekyo. $50 group members, I think it delivered well. Those ones who entered, blessings. Kasima koka gold tumaze omukozesa ndikwagala tulabe ku USD tulabe performance ya USD tasalawo, but sell level gye twamuwadde mu $50 ekyamu respectinze oba ekyaji respectinze. But right now ekiriwo ekikubuzo kiri nti right now tulina okugiwa buying level. Okitegeera, tulina ogiwa ki? Tulina okugiwa buying level. Ate oba nti ogitunulidde bulungi liwalako n'ebyenkola ebirala. But I had to do this analysis for you guys in the group since today. And this is a 1 minute time frame. This is 1 minute. Right now, the lave these levels. Oh, sorry. These levels and this level isn't yet. That's why you're respecting. I'm looking at this level. In the next 1 minute, this is a resistance level. That's a resistance level. That level. But right now, if we are eyeing for buys, or if we are spotting buys, because already these levels have all been utilized, and if this is our selling area, to remove buys and sell everything. Obanti olikulaba waneno market we want any tracing of this level. Consider long positions at what? At that level. However much ends okuba nti ezigize naye consider long positions at that level. The moment we break below this level and we retest on it, consider short positions. But trust me or not, tuligenda kuli tracing ila kwa nini over to proceed up. Understand? And if we are proceeding up, we are eyeing for what? We are eyeing for bullish sides. But mpozi kineno kyonna kye ndibagamba kigenda kubeera effect ya yen, Japanese yen. But right now the USD is weak era nga USD ekyali mu kola ki? Ekyali mu kukeera. But right now I don't know whether how strong the yen is, but what I can say is the yen is kind of strong. The yen is kind of strong. Soka tulabeko waneno tulabe JPY, or is JPY elilo ne USD elilo. It's not a good pair for you to trade. Honestly, it's not a good pair for you to trade. We're going to look at Euro USD. Euro USD right now. Ekigenda mu maaso aba $50 bamanyi ki ekigenda mu maaso. Aba $50 bamanyi ki ekigenda mu maaso, because the way you analyze markets, you can't tell me that you don't know anything. You can't tell me that you don't know anything. It's really impossible. It's really what? It's really impossible. Those are possible buying areas. Understand? Waneno nabagambye ekifaananyi ekinene, those ones in the $50, ekifaananyi ekinene waneno kinene kye kifaananyi kyaffe ekinene kye tuli ku hayinga. I don't know how strong the euro is, but what I know, the euro is strong. Euro ekyayambukira ddala waggulu. Ndi kwagala nkuteekereko path olabe trend gye tulimu. This level was already utilized, twagikozesa. Olabe trend gye tulimu, olabe naki ekigenda mu maaso, then okonfaminge gwe kennyini Amanyi abantu abasinga bakujjukiza ki? Eno level yaffe birina okubeera nga mukimanyi nti anytime market ekola ki ekyusa. Tutunulire ka level kano ako mukatunulire nnyo. Wano weetuuse wetayambukirawo, then mutunulire the second level. Oba liquidating they are retesting on them tudde wansi. Bali kuzirudde. How do we tell that a level has over being neutralized? I'll explain to you in the VIP. Only the $50 go past me when we are there. Is there any other currency pair? USD card. USD card sijja tusoose nolaba. USD card yino. Yakoze bye twabadde tugambye. Those ones in the $50 group, USD card yakoze bye tubadde tugambye. Right now it's in a ranging area. It's ranging, building up volume. And I think that volume which is being built up, it's for sales. More sales. Tulina level gye twagibaliddemu. USD card. These levels ndiko kwagala tugereeko ku 5 minutes time frame. Tulabe kubanga if it was to be stopped yabadde inakoma wano eno. So if you're to look for your selling areas oba weekomerawo emabega, you utilize this level for sales. Your level goes on your for sales. Otherwise, bamen, posing that there is anyone who is in need of me, ajje mu inbox yange. That was my analysis for you guys today. Be blessed. Ndigenda batekeramu levels mu group aba $50.